Wow, so that whole rant, I guess, doesn't count. All right, so I stand corrected. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Plus for November 2020. This daggone fly still hasn't died. This is $25 a month. So if you want to see what I received in my $25 Ipsy Plus for November, this is the one that I paid for, then keep on watching. Alright, I do receive Ipsy in PR, so I already did that video. I did the Ipsy Plus and Ipsy GLAM bag together. I'll leave that down below just in case you want to check that out and see what I received in PR. But this is the one that I paid for. I just got this. This is the 12th when I am filming it. Haven't even opened it up, but it feels heavy, like there's more, like a lot of things in here, so let's see. Like, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so here's the bag. But there is like a lot of stuff. How many times can I say that? Like, what in the world? Like, all right, let's see if I have a card and see if there's anything. Yeah, because there's like 3 things in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. So maybe I did my points. Yeah, this doesn't have anything on there. So the theme for November is Be Present. I do have my Ipsy verse Ipsy. I'm planning to record that after this, so I don't know what's going to go out first. So if the Ipsy verse Ipsy that I do 2 different profiles and see if they go by profiles. I will leave that down below in case this is already up, in case I already filmed the video, or if it's already up, and get it together. All right, so let me go on my phone. Let me go to my Ipsy app, and then that way I can figure out what the heck is going on. All right, so I'm on my app, so I must have did points with this. So we'll go over later, and I'll probably have a giveaway in this video. So, because anytime I use my points, I get points if you guys use my link to get, do you see that? I'm going to, like, I can't get it. And because I have my lights on, it's going to the light, you know? That didn't sound good. I always give back to you guys because you use my link, and like I said, I get points for it. So that's why when there's anything good, I get everything and then have a giveaway. All right, so let me show you what the bag looks for this month. As I said in the Ipsy Plus that I got in PR, I didn't really like it. It's actually thinner than usual, so I just don't care for it. And you know, like, I know the style now is like the 3 different colors. They used to have it back in like the 80s, early 90s. Remember that? And I think it was called like cross colors or something like that. But it's the colors, you know, too, that I don't know. That's just a personal preference. But the bag's free, so I can't complain. All right, so let me show you what they picked for me. So the Ipsy Plus started this new thing, in case you don't know. They pick 2 items, and then you get to pick the other 3. So you do get 5 full-size items with the Ipsy Plus. And I was not happy with my choice items, and we'll go through there. All right, so the 2 things they picked for me, this is a palette here. This is the Seraphine Botanicals. I received this before. I don't know, maybe in an Ipsy Ultimate or maybe the Ipsy Plus. I don't know, but this is definitely a repeat item. So I was kind of a little upset about that. And how much is this puppy? $42. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. It is wrapped up in plastic, so I don't want to open it. I'll show you a picture right here what it looks like. But it'll be in today's giveaway. Let's see. So it's an eyeshadow and a blush palette. I've used it before. The blushes are beautiful. They're like a peachy tone. But I mean, it's all right. It's just I wish they would have gave me something else since it's a repeat item. All right. And then the next thing that I got, where is it? Is this Tristique mascara and a lash thing. Now, I did receive this in my PR, which I think I put this in the giveaway. And let me show you. So this is the mascara, and when you take it off, it has the curler built in. This scares me, and this is just a personal preference. So this will be in today's giveaway as well. I have a lot of mascaras, and I know I won't use it, so I'd rather give it to somebody that will use it. So that'll be in today's giveaway. Now, those were the 2 items that were picked for me. So the 3 items that there were choose from were all lip products, and this is what upsets me. When I'm not filming, I don't really use makeup. What I usually use instead of like lipstick, I use a lot of lip balms and lip oils. And especially when you go out and you have to use masks, I just don't use lipstick because it transfers on the mask and you can't see it anyway. So I know a lot of lipsticks aren't selling right now. So I know a lot of brands have to like get rid of a lot of lipsticks because they're not selling. But I just wish there were different options than just 3 lip products. Do you know what I mean? So let's go over the first thing. Okay, so this is the lip glaze in Lunar Drop. Okay, and this is, like I said, what I picked. Let's open her up and see, because I probably will use this. Where is my cutter? I'm always losing my cutter. If you guys know where I can find a nice cutter, let me know down below, because I lose all the ones. I had an orange one that was like my favorite, and now I have this little one, and I lose it because it's so small. But I'm looking for like if there's like a turquoise or teal one. But if you guys know any like good ones, let me know. All right, so that's what it looks like. Oh, I didn't tell you how much the mascara costs. Let's see. Let me go back. All right, this mascara was $25. All right, so this lip glaze in the Lunar Drop, that is the shade name. This is $14. It's an Ipsy exclusive. And it says, this bouncy shadow is like a lip gloss for your lids. The jelly texture glides on effortlessly for 0 creasing or caking. Oh, this isn't a lip product. This is a lid, L-E-L-I-D, for your eyes. So it's not a lip product. Wow. So that whole rant, I guess, doesn't count, but the other 2 ones are. All right, so I stand corrected. It's a different type of applicator in person. Ooh, okay. Well, I mean, you can't even see it. Let's go back in and build it up because it's very thin. Yeah, even building it up, like, where the heck are you? I mean, it's all right. Let's turn you down so you guys can see. I don't even know if you can see. You guys see? There you go. And I built it up. So, I mean, you know, it's all right. You know, it's all right. I mean, I had definitely had others that were, you know, more. But I'll definitely use it. I love these type of shades, though. It's pretty. Like, when I do it in the light, it's very pretty. I would even use this as like a highlighter too, you know, like with your finger and stuff. All right. So we have that. And it's only, what was it? $14. So, you know. All right. So the next thing that I had to choose from is called Fruit Butter. This is a lip mask right there. I know you guys, as I was saying it, you're probably like, you stupid bee. It's for your eyes. Come on, get out. All right, so that's what it looks like. And, you know, let's see if it has a safety seal. Let's see. Why am I finding everything so hard to open? Because it's taped again, and Jesus. Okay, so I had it taped. And yes, it does have a safety seal, so that's good. This is from the same brand. So this is from the Seraphine Botanicals. It's the same brand. And this is $25, I think. Yeah, $25. All right, and last but not least is from Complex Culture. This is, I have it up, this is $18. This is in the shade Mauve Nude. Now, the only thing I've ever tried from this brand are the, what do you call it? Looking for my cutter. Brushes, which I actually like the brushes, like the face brushes, more than the eyeshadow brushes, but they're still nice. Like, I really like them. I think it's a sister company to Ipsy, I believe. All right, and so I didn't even know they had makeup. All right, but this is really cute packaging. And I'm glad that they're saying it's only $18 because the brushes are expensive. And this is weird too. Like, see how it goes up, like curves? But let me show you. Is this a lip gloss? Let me see, because that looks like a lip gloss. Let me see. It says Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream. What the hell is a tinted lip cream? Maybe it is. It says product type liquid lipstick. It says when it comes to multitasking lip products, you won't find a better option than this 6-in-1 tinted cream. What? All right. It looks more like a lip gloss in my opinion. And like, even when you go over it, it's just like a lip gloss. Like, I'll turn you down a little bit so you can see. You guys can see, like, you can still see my skin through it. But what I would use this for, like, I would go in with a matte lipstick and then like put this over, you know. Very pretty. And I'm sure it's hydrating because it's not like matte, you know. All right, so let's recap. Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, well, let's recap and then I'll show you what's in my points and then we'll talk about the giveaway. I'm all over the place today. So we have a lipstick or lip gloss, I don't know. We have a lip mask. We have a lid for your eyes. I don't know why I thought this was a lipstick, and I complained the whole time. Like, even to my friends, I'm like, they gave me 3 lip product choices. But still, you know. All right, so I take that back. I got this Trestique mascara, and it's an eyeshadow and blush palette. So it was all right. For me, like I said, this is a repeat item, but, you know, if I didn't get it, I mean, I've had better Ipsy Pluses, but it's not bad at all, you know? All right, and then for points, I picked the Super Beauty mask, and you get quite a few in here, maybe about 5. And I love masks, I really do. And then I picked out another Bailey Sarian, the Venice Fling palette. I picked this out as well. It's a beautiful palette. I've used it. And I didn't know who Bailey was until we got this. And everybody in the comments was like, are you crazy? Where have you been living, under a rock? And she does like crime stories and she does makeup. She's absolutely beautiful. And I definitely watch her now. I definitely subscribed and I am hooked. So, anyway, so I got this. All right, so let's talk about the giveaway. What will be in today's giveaway? So we have this palette, the eyeshadow palettes. Let's see. I'm going to put another palette, so you'll have 2 eyeshadow palettes. I will put the mascara in. I will put, what else? The mask in. So you'll get 4 things, and I'm going to put it in this bag. And then what I'll do is, let's make sure everything fits. I'll put, like something else in here so that you guys will have 5 products. You know, a couple things in here. I'll like fill the bag up for you. I'm filming this on the 12th, so I'll have on the screen right here what day everything will end. And you guys know I do a comment picker, so put in the word mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Now, don't just put mirror, enter me. I say this in all my giveaways because people that just go to the end of the video that don't watch this whole video, then they just put mirror in it. And then people like you that watch the whole video through, it's not really fair. So be creative, you know, with your comment. And then what I usually do is, when I do my comment picker, they have like certain words you could type in that'll filter through it. And I'll type that word in and it'll pop up all the comments that use that word. So that's how we'll do it. The only rules, it's like my rules all the time. You just have to be subscribed because I enjoy giving back to you guys who support me. You have to like this video. It only takes a second. Just boop. That's it. And it really does help me out. And you have to leave a comment. Use that word that I told you. This is always Open Up International. All of my giveaways are always Open Up International. I don't always say that, and a lot of you guys ask me in the comments, but I always give back. I don't care where you lived. One of the giveaways, one of you guys lived in Malaysia. I already went, it was Greeceland, a lot in the UK, Canada, of course the US, where I live. But, you know, I don't care where you live, you know, as long as you support me, you're subscribed, and do those few things. And that's everything, guys. Let me know what you thought of this month's Ipsy Plus. Do you get Ipsy Plus? What did you get in your Ipsy Plus? Let me know. I know they're having a few new subscriptions coming out. Let me know down below. What are your thoughts on that? And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh. This is actually drying matte now. Look at that. It's not totally matte, but that's weird. Okay, it is drying matte.